Cinderella time! Hey guys, and welcome back to another Twisted Disney Tutorials. Today we will be doing this request challenge. They asked us to twist the stepsisters like in the original story, either pluck their eyeballs out or cut their feet. So let's proceed and see which page is better fit for this challenge. This page right here. I think let's go with the twist of birds picking out their eyeballs. Along with the original story, we want our own twist by keeping Cinderella evil. Also, let's break the windows for more drama. And Cinderella is holding Anastasia's voodoo doll. I think we have got mapped it out. Let's zoom. Time to sketch out our idea. Giving Cinderella her creepy smile and sharp chin. I'm also gonna look through some bird attack references. And here I'm gonna draw out one bird poking Drizella's eye while the other bird has plucked out Anastasia's. This is gonna be a little violent. Adding some window break cracks. And a voodoo doll. Now my favorite part, coloring. This shade does not matches her skin at all. But I guess we can work with that. For her teeth, I'm starting with a darker shade so that we can add highlights later. We need to go from darker to lighter. Oh my gosh, she looks like she has a tooth plague. And we can't forget her rosy lips. We will be needing a sharper lead for the detail. Better. Excuse me, sir. And my cat Pepper once again has entered my workplace like a boss to trash it. Without minding Pepper, let's add highlights. Now giving some details on her face, turn by turn. My whites almost never work. Now, time for some bird action. Wait. This was not supposed to happen. Let's keep the birds blue, because in our all-time favorite Cinderella movie, the birds are blue, and that way we can all relate a bit more with it. You know what I mean, right? Let's give the birds some detail. That was my new blue! Quickly giving the details. Hang on guys, we're almost done. Time for some blood. I almost forgot about the voodoo doll. Let's quickly give her some hair and a pink frock. Wrong color. This pink is more Anastasia. And we're done! Sir, you're blocking the view. Subscribe for more of these Disney tutorials, and in the comments let us know what you guys want to see next. Take care guys, and thank you for watching!